Hello dear children, welcome to today's class. Children, get ready with your textbook, notebook and geometry box. Now, take out page number 61. On that, you will see miscellaneous problems set 1. In that, question number 8 to 12 are based on lesson number 1. Today, we will solve these 5 examples. You all have to do these examples or these constructions in your copy. Now, let us start with question number 8. Construct triangle ABC such that measure angle A is 55 degree, measure angle B is 60 degrees and length AB is 5.9 centimeter. In this you will see that the length of one side and the angles formed at the end point of the segments are given. That is, measures of the angles and the included side is given. First, we will draw the rough diagram. We will consider segment AB as the base. So, in rough diagram, you will draw segment AB as the base. Here you have to take segment AB of length 5.9 centimeter. Now, angle B is of 60 degree, that is an acute angle. So, we will try to show acute angle in this diagram. Also, angle A is also an acute angle, it is of 55 degree. So, we will try to show again acute angle in this diagram. Now, this vertex formed here will be vertex C. Now, let us do with the actual construction. Take your ruler. Draw segment of 5.9 centimeter. So, start from 0 and draw up to 5.9. Give the name AB to this segment. Now, write here the measure 5.9 centimeter. Now, as you have to draw angle of 55 degree, you will use protractor. Put the protractor on the vertex A, coincide the reference line with the segment AB and starting from 0, as we are coinciding it in the right side, we will take the scale which starts from the right. So, from 0, you have to go up to 55, 55 will lie between 50 and 60. So, put a dot for 55 degrees, take out the protractor, join it using ruler. Make a ray starting from vertex A. Give the arrow, consider any point R here. Now, this angle A is of 55 degrees. Now, we will try to find the vertex C. So, first we will draw angle of 60 degree from the vertex B. Again, put the vertex, put the protractor on vertex B. Now, as the reference line, it matches on the left side of the protractor. So, we will take the scale from the left. So, from 0, you have to mark 60 degree like this. As 60 degree is an acute angle, it should look like an acute angle only when you draw the angle. Now, give the arrow, take any point S. Now, this intersecting point that you are getting is the vertex C. This angle B is of 60 degrees. So, here this triangle ABC is the required triangle. So, we will write it here. Triangle ABC is the required triangle. Now, let us move to next example. Example number 9. Construct triangle XYZ such that length XY is 3.7 centimeter, length YZ is 7.7 centimeter and length XZ is 6.3 centimeter. In this construction, length of all three sides are given. So, we will consider the bigger side as the base. So, we will draw segment YZ as the base here. It is of 7.7 centimeter. Name of this segment is YZ. Now, from vertex Y, we will draw segment XY. It is of 3.7 centimeter. So, its length should be smaller one. So, this is of 3.7 centimeter. And segment XZ is bigger. So, we will try to show it as bigger than segment XY in the rough diagram. So, here we will write the length of segment XZ. Now let us start with actual construction. First we will draw segment YZ of 7.7 centimeter. So take a ruler. 7.7 centimeter is 7 centimeter and 7 millimeter. So first draw the segment YZ of 7.7 centimeter. Then we will give arc of 3.7 centimeter from the vertex Y. So take a compass. To give the arc we have to use a compass. We will put needle end on 0 and bring the pencil end on 3.7. Now after adjusting 3.7 centimeter in compass, put the needle end on Y and give the arc here like this. Now we have to give arc of 6.3 centimeter from vertex Z. So again we will adjust compass using ruler. So put the needle end again on 0 and 6.3 centimeter. So bring the pencil end on 6.3 like this. Then put the needle end on Z, give the arc like this. The intersecting point that you are getting here is vertex X. Now join this intersecting point with vertex Y. Now with vertex Z. Here give the name to this segment vertex. It is X. This segment is of 3.7 centimeter. So we will write here 3.7 centimeter. This segment is of 6.3 centimeter. So we will write here 6.3 centimeter. This triangle XYZ is the required triangle. Now